Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. The husband has made allegation that after the birth of the son, he had gone to the house of the wife where he has not allowed to meet her nor he was allowed to see his son. Likewise, the wife has made allegations that her mother in law had made dowry related demands from her. These are mere allegations and counter allegations on which reliance cannot be placed. Nothing of this kind was stated in the notices or replies thereto. The most important fact which emerges is that from 2nd June 1993, the parties have been staying separately and there is total lack of any effort on their part to stay together. In this connection, the observation of the High Court is worth reproduction. Desertion means rejection by the party of all the obligations of marriage and permanent forsaking or abandonment of one spouse by the other without any reasonable cause and without the consent of the other. Unfortunately, all efforts to reunite them as husband and wife have failed. The marriage is completely broken down and no useful purpose would be served by dismissing the second appeal. We are of the view that these observations of the High Court are fully justified in the facts of the present case. One has to particularly note the fact that the parties knew even prior to marriage whatever they were earning. The earning of the wife from a government job before the marriage was more than double of that of the husband. With the knowledge of this fact, the parties entered into matrimonial alliance. The marriage survived only for a brief period of about 7 months. Since 2nd June 1993, there has been no attempt on the part of the wife to stay with the husband. She is a school teacher and it is a common knowledge that in schools there are long vacations during summer months. At least during those holidays, she could have visited the husband along with her son and stayed with him. There is nothing on record to show that any such attempt was ever made by her. She has stated in her evidence that the husband used to come and stay with her during her vacations. From this fact alone, animus deserted on the part of the wife is clearly established. She has chosen to adopt a course of conduct which proves desertion was with a reasonable cause. Such a conduct indicates total abandonment of marriage. It also amounts to willful neglect of the husband by the wife. Therefore, the conclusion reached by the High Court appears to be absolutely correct. This appeal is accordingly dismissed with no order as to cost. Stop.